I have a GE PHS920SFSS induction range and have error code FA92. Neither the cooktop or the oven will stay on. Is it worth fixing or cheaper to buy new? Next to impossible to find repair person within the next week.
What happened just before your GE range displayed this message?
Cooktop turned on for 15-30 seconds, then shut off and gave error code. Had same issue last night with convection oven reset breaker and eventually it worked, but tried same thing this morning and now get error code.
How long has this been going on with your GE range? What have you tried so far?
Range is 3 years old. It's been going on sporadically for the last few months, but recently consistently this morning.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. FA92 means that your front right burner is acting up. You can take the cooktop apart and check the wiring connections to the front right burner because sometimes one of them gets loose from heat. Other than that, if that checks good, then the cooktop front right burner sensor should be replaced first. If the issue persists, then you'll need to replace the generator board. The generator board would be the most expensive part, and it's about $250. The part number is basically worst case scenario. If you had a technician come in to repair this and you needed a new generator board and sensor, you'd be looking at about $450 to $500 to repair the oven. I'm not sure if that is worth fixing to you or not. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Would that error code come up even if I wasn't using that burner?
Yes, because heat affects the control boards, wiring connections, and the sensor, which can cause one of those to give an error.
Do you have the part number for the burner?
The front right burner is part number WB30 by 21488.
Is that part like $350?
It's about $250.
Same price as generator board.
Correct.
How do I take the top off to check the connections?
That is a lot of work. Once you have rated me for answering your original question, I'll give you more time to answer such an additional detailed question.
Done 5 stars.
Thanks. Give me some time to type. This is not an easy oven to disassemble. You'll need to first pull the entire oven out of the kitchen cabinets. Then unplug the unit. There is a screw coming in from the right and left side of the control panel. Remove these screws and open the oven door to see any screws below the control panel. Remove the top of the control panel frame. Remove the touchpad. Then unscrew the reset of the front control panel from the inside through the top. After the front panel is removed, you need to go around the sides under the cooktop and remove all screws coming in from the side, the front, and the back holding the ceramic top down. Once those are removed, you can lift the glass top straight up and off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.